family, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribe. So today I want to give you my village kitchen tour. After we have put now the tiles in the kitchen, we have some few things like to complete our kitchen, like to put the cabinets. We haven't put the cabinets, but there's still things like the cabinet that you haven't put, and the ceiling board. So let me give you the tour how it looks right now, because as I promised you that you are going I'm going to show you every step of this village house. Any progress I'm going to be showing you. So right now I want to show you how they place the kitchen wall tiles, so that you can tell me, leave a comment below, let me know if you love this kitchen wall tiles, or if they exaggerated it, or if it's nice. If you love it, just leave a comment, guys, let me know. So guys, let me show you my village kitchen. This is the entry to my kitchen, guys. This is my kitchen window. It's quite large because we want to put here some cabinets. We're going to place here some cabinets. That's why it's a large window. I don't know if you can see this. All this is it's my kitchen window. So here, don't mind about that seat. It's here we're going to place our dining. This is our dining area. So we're going to place our dining table, our dining seats, guys. So we haven't done that, guys. Yes. So let me show you. So here, guys, this is my cooking area. I use this small cooking gas to cook my food. So here I've just placed my small things. These are the popcorns, guys. We have, this is Royco, just a spice. We have Weetabix here for my kids, guys. They love Weetabix. Here we have a porridge flour for my kids. Pure Wimbi, a porridge flour. Just have my chipsy. This I use it to cook my chapatis. I use this to cook my chapatis. We have Blue Band there. Salt, guys. This is milk that I had used, and this is the remaining. I'm going to boil it later. We have here maize meal flour. This is just a maize flour. This is sugar, guys. Chapati flour I had used, and that remained. We have here baking powder. We have here ginger. We have here garlic. Those are just my spices, guys. Down there I have my plates. These are my glasses. These are my spoons that I'm using for now, guys. I haven't bought anything. Those are just small cups there. We have bags there that I'm using to carry things when I want. So this is water. I was just boiling water here. That's my pan for cooking chapatis, guys. When you come at my kitchen counter, it's full, guys. Please don't mind. For now I haven't put the cabinets. You can see those are the places for placing the cabinets, guys. I haven't put the cabinets, and for now, so my kitchen counter is somehow full, guys. Please don't mind. So these are the popcorns that I had popped. I have milk here. That's my tea leaves, my flask, guys. This is drinking chocolate. These are groundnuts, or you can call them peanuts. Some people call them peanuts or groundnuts. This one are boiled, guys. Here, this apple, Shana was the one who was eating. Here I have my meat. This is meat that I'm going to prepare for dinner, guys. I have some eggs here, guys. This is my juice, and here I have some of the utensils, guys. Those are some of the utensils that are clean, guys. I just clean and place them there. For now, I still don't have the rack for the utensils rack, or the rack for placing my utensils, guys. I'm going to buy it, guys. We do things slowly by slowly, guys. So on the window, guys, this is my washing soap for washing the dishes, my dish soap. This is steel wool or steel wire, how you call it. Some people call it steel wool, some steel wire. So that's what I use to clean my pots. This is my double sink, guys. I really love a double sink. As you can see, it's clean, guys. I had washed the utensils. This is my towel that I just used to clean my countertop, guys. I use this towel to clean my countertops. So you can see that's my kitchen. I have nothing more. That's just my towel I placed there for wiping my hand, guys. You can see I bought this one. This is just a, how can I call it, a hook for placing my towel. So I bought the two of them at a Quick Mart supermarket at 120. The two of them cost me 120, guys. So you can see, let me show you my kitchen wall tiles, guys. Leave a comment, guys. Tell me if you love this kitchen wall tiles, guys. So you can see that's my garden on the window. You can see we have a goat. We have a goat here. Hi, goat. How are you? Say hi. She's like, let me mind my own business. So guys, that's my oh, she came to say hi. That's my mother-in-law goat. That's my mother-in-law goat. I don't know, the village goats, they enter in the kitchen, so I don't know what she's searching. She's searching for food. Those are just my my utensils down there. Can you imagine, guys? This goat has guards. Oh my goodness, I just leave her because I don't want to chase her. But she's walking away now. I don't know. No. Don't come here, Mama. No. Go outside, please. So that goat, I have a story by the, let me tell you a story about that goat. The mom of that goat, guys, it was attacked by the bees. The bees. So one of my sister-in-law's daughter was the one who was taking care of the goat, the mother of this goat, guys. So he took that mother to the field, and she tied the mother goat. I don't know if you understand, please. I want you to get this story, because she put that goat where there are bees, and she didn't know. So I don't know what happened, but the bees came and attacked the mother goat, and the mother goat died immediately. Those bees were so bad, guys. So now she's just an orphan. That's why I love her. I don't want to chase her when she comes in the house. She's an orphan, guys, because her mom was killed by the bees. I love her. She normally comes in my kitchen. I don't chase her away. She needs love. So guys, you can see my kitchen wall tiles. If you love them, please leave a comment, guys, and let me know. We haven't placed the ceiling board, guys, but soon enough, when God blesses us, we are just praying for God's blessings. We are going to put the ceiling board, guys. So let me take you outside. That's my kitchen, guys, and now this is the door for taking us outside. See, this girl is here trying to eat those things. I placed those things there, guys, but I'm going to clean them. Don't focus on them. So those are the clothes that I was washing today. Those are the dogs. You can see the dogs sleeping. You see how beautiful my village is. So those are other clothes that I was washing. I just placed them there. Just see the view, guys. I really love my village. You can see the cows there, the dogs, the trees, and the breeze, guys, is so amazing. So guys, the view is just amazing, guys. So that's my kitchen, guys. This is just the veranda of my kitchen. You can see the floor tiles. If you love these floor tiles, please leave a comment and let me know. So that's my nephew. He's lighting the jiko there for me. I want to prepare dinner, guys. I used the small gas or that jiko, guys. So I want to roast that meat there, guys. We're going to roast the beef there. I didn't show you my kitchen tiles, so these are my kitchen tiles. If you love them, please leave a comment and let me know your thoughts about this. So guys, that's it guys. That's my kitchen.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, 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 I hate all this over.
So guys, that's it for my kitchen. Thank you so much for watching till here. I really do appreciate. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribe. I will really appreciate. Bye, and let's meet on our next video.